So I have this server running on localhost port 3000. I want to expose this to a public facing URL. How to do that? Hello guys, so this is a quick video just to explain what Ngrok does. Ngrok can be a pretty useful tool for developers, and it has been around for quite a while actually, but in my recent video I used this. I decided to make a small video to explain it. So what it does is basically it provides an external public facing URL to your local host. So you might have a local host server running on port 8080 or some other port, maybe 3000. You might want to expose this particular host to a public facing URL. This is especially useful when you're doing development in your local host and you want to test some external service. I'll give you a case for example. Let's say you are using a third-party service where you have to provide an API route in order to receive a webhook. Without Ngrok, you have to deploy your application in a server with public-facing domain name. But with Ngrok, what you can do is you can start this service and Ngrok will provide the domain name which will point to your local host. Some other examples could be that if you want to do some authentication with, let's say, Facebook or some other third party, usually you would have to provide a public facing URL. So let me show you what I mean. So I have created an account and logged in, and first thing you need to do is to download Ngrok. You can save it anywhere. So I decided to save it in my document, and after you unzip it, you'll have to connect your account. So Ngrok does provide you with an API key which you have to connect it with your downloaded Ngrok. Paste it here, and then I will connect my Ngrok with the API key here by running this command, and the authentication token is saved. Now all you have to do is to type Ngrok and then HTTP and then port 80 for example. So now what it did is it created this URL which is pointing to my local host. So that means that if you visit this URL and you have a development server running in port 80, you would be able to access it there. So that's all guys. There's a paid plan as well which has more features in it, but for this video I just focused on the free version. Alright, thanks for watching.